Yes. FundedNext finally verified my account. Wow, it was not easy. Seriously, it was not easy. So in this video, I'm going to take you through all the process, what was going on behind the scene, like what I was just doing to make sure that I got my account verified. FundedNext finally verified my account. All right, so I will take you through, guys, how you can verify your account, what ID card I use, how I got the ID card, how I was able to be reaching out with FundedNext support team like constantly, like it was like as if they were very close to me. You understand? So the method of which I was able to reach out to them as fast as possible, and they were very responsive. Okay, so that we are going to be talking in this video. Okay, now if this video is something that you find value, you find interesting, please do me a favor to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, please, and make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any part, because I'm going to be taking you through try to verify my account with NIN. All right, it did not work. NIN did not work, whether plastic or the slip, it will not work. All right, I also tried the voters card, it still didn't work. Why? Because they said that they were unable to verify my identity through the Nigeria identity verification portal. Are you getting it? So I don't know why is that. So at first, when I used my NIN, it didn't work. I used my voters card, it didn't work. I thought maybe it was this my photo on the NIN that that uh that that is causing the issue. That my photo on the NIN that is causing the issue, maybe it's not clear enough. All right. So I went to their office for them to help me change the 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 photo on it, but it still didn't work. It still didn't work. So one of the things I got from the NIN office was that they said that this particular NIN is not the original NIN of Nigeria. So when they told me that, I tried to argue with them that like, you people were the people that gave this website to the public to be able to verify or do something, make some changes with their account. All right, that we can print out what our ID and have it as a plastic ID. They said that's a lie, that we are not permitted to print it out as a plastic ID card and be using it. That as a matter of fact, me holding this plastic ID card and bringing it to them is an offense. If not for one thing, that I would have been arrested. And I was like, what? I said, okay, all right, what do I do? They said right now, the Nigerian NIN office, they don't issue ID card for now. They don't issue plastic ID card for now. And I was like, what do I do now? I need to use this ID card to verify something. I said, and that was it. I started looking for other means. I haven't tried voters card, it still didn't work. I started looking for other means, and I was like, okay, what do I do now? Since on the platform they said that you can verify your KYC using NIN, driving license, and passport. I said, okay, passport is quite expensive, guys. You don't need to necessarily want to travel before you have your passport with you. Okay, you don't need to. All right, you don't need to want to travel before you have your passport with you. Okay, if you are as a citizen of Nigeria, you need to have your passport. All right, try as much as possible to get it. Okay, now I had the option to say, okay, let me use driving license. Maybe that would be easy. Only for me to discover that driving license, I cannot get my driving license until 3 months. And I was like, 3 months. That after signing up, after filling the form and all that, it takes 28 days before they will be able to start processing my ID card. And I was like, I don't have that time to wait, because FundedNext gave me within 1 month to verify my account. Otherwise, my account probably will be terminated. So, and I was like, I cannot wait for 3 months. So I had no option than to go for passport. Now, Before now, I had done research with one or two persons who told me that they were able to verify their account using passport. I said, okay, fine. If passport is the deal, let's get a passport. Now, I haven't done the research. How do I get it with the cost and all that? Some people told me with like 70,000 naira you can get it, 80,000 you can get it, maybe 80, 90, or 100 at most. I said 100, I cannot afford 100. So what do I do? I said, anyhow, let me just go for the process. When I get there, some people say I should just fill the form online and do that, then I can go and get it. I said, no, I want something that I can get immediately. Besides, I don't want to do something online that when I get to the office, they will start telling me that, oh, where did I register? How did I register? All this kind of nonsense story. I want to get to see the people who are in charge of this thing. So when I get to the immigration office, before the somebody gave me a contact. So I contacted the person. The person asked me to meet him up in the office. So when I get to the office, yeah, it took me through the process and all of that and all that. Then give me options that there's a possibility that I can get the passport within a week, but it's going to cost me. And I was like, wow, that the normal process can take up to 3 weeks, and which is 100,000 naira. That I will have to provide some document that I don't even know how to get them, even up to primary six results, primary six certificate. That's one I don't even know. I don't even know where I can get that one. You understand? And I was like, no, they told me that you guys can provide some of these documents, that I only need to provide some few ones that I have, and that is uh, birth certificate and the local government of origin. If you have these two, maybe the cost might reduced for you. Okay, if you have local government of origin, birth certificate, maybe the cost might reduce for you. But I never provide any of these things. Okay, I never provide any of these things. So I was able to negotiate with the guy, the man, that he ended up taking 110,000 naira from me. 110,000 naira for me, plus other small expenses that one way or the other him and one or two persons, you know, find a way getting from me. So everything would like just be like 120,000 naira that I use, but I was able to get it within a week and 3 days. That's what blew me up. Like, wow, a week and 3 days. This is something that a lot of people, it takes them like 2 3 weeks 4 weeks before they can get it. It took me a week and 3 days. It was not even up to, it's supposed to be up to that because of the death of our late president. So they had to mourn him for one day, and also because of that was how he got to a week and 3 days. It was not supposed to be up to that extent. So I got my NIN, I got my passport, and then I came to FundedNext. I started the process, and the process was going smoothly. All this while I was chatting and reaching out to FundedNext via Messenger. All right, via Messenger. If you reach out to them through Messenger, it is very, that is you. It is easy for you to get response from them. Okay, response from there. So, but if they have any specific information they want to pass to you, they will use your email. Are you getting it? So, because after getting the passport, when I want to verify my account, it was through email. They sent me the link that I can use in verifying my account. Now, after verifying my account, they said that it was going to take uh 24 hours or 48 hours for me to get feedback from them. All right, so 24 hours pass, 48 hours pass. So I think the 6 hours, 6 hours after 48 hours, that was what I got my login account, get response from there that I've finally been verified and my login was sent to me. Are you getting it? So that is it, guys. So in case maybe you finally upload your document and you verify your account and it's taking long, are you getting it? You might have to wait for 72 hours. Otherwise, There are maybe some people it may not be up to 24 hours, some people it will just be 48 hours, while some people may take up to 72 hours. Are you getting it? My own is not up to 72 hours. It was more than 48 hours. All right. So my account was verified. All right. So you can only use your passport to verify your account, and they will always only give you within a month to get your account verified. Uh, it cost me 120,000 naira to get my passport. All right, as VIP, very fast. Okay, so in case maybe you are being charged that amount, don't freak out because maybe probably is too cost. You just have to pay. Okay. Which other thing that we need to review on again? Okay, that basically it. All right, so please stick with me on this channel as we begin to journey our trade and see by the grace of God we get a payout from this account. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Bye, peace out.